Good morning. Hey, I'm Roger, and I'm here with my John Deere S100 lawn tractor. Today I'm going to change the mower blades. They're getting pretty worn, and it's not throwing the air the way it's supposed to, therefore it's not bagging correctly. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to show you where these blades are and where the nut is. I mean, you know where the blades are, but I'm going to try to show you what it looks like under there. Kind of tight quarters, so I'll show you and then I'll back out and actually take the blade loose. So let's see what we can find out down there. Alright, so there's your blade. You can see that nut in the middle. It's actually a bolt. I'm going to take a pipe wrench and take that loose. And then we'll put the other one on. Okay. All right. This blade you can see how much that is worn. And just in case that camera is not showing you how much it's worn, I'm going to get out my iPhone. All right. That is a very worn blade, and that fin that sticks up is what causes the airflow, which allows me to use the bagger. So, gonna have to replace them. Now this can be a struggle sometimes. We will see how it goes. I did take this off probably a month ago and sharpened it, so I'm hoping that it won't be too hard. Technically, you could keep going with that, but I'm not going to. Now, see the way this bows? That's going to go up. The bow has to go up. Okay? That means the blades, the fan part is up and the cutting part is down. Move my block, I don't need it over there. And let's go to the other side. It's actually quite a bit easier on this side because you have better access. There we go. Let's take a peek under there. It's going to look differently. All right. Nice, shiny black blades under there. So that really wasn't that bad. Other than when I kneeled on that little rock and hurt my kneecap. I cut that part out. So I cried, maybe a little. Okay, so we've got that done. So I've got the blades changed. Got those blades changed and we're ready to go cut. When you have a sharp blade on there, you get better airflow for the bagger, and it actually cuts the grass rather than beating the grass, so you use less power. It's a good thing to keep sharp. Hope that helps. You have a great day. We'll talk to you another day.